Hey there guys, thank you for looking at this video. I'm Jason Tapowley here from the trainersedge.co.uk. I'm an experienced personal trainer and strength and conditioning coach, and I'm delighted to say to you now that I am now accepting new clients in the Exeter area. Are you looking for a personal trainer to help you look better, feel better, live longer, get stronger and improve the quality of your life? If you answered yes to any or all of those questions, then excellent, I can really help you. I grew up overweight as an adolescent, so I know what the struggle is, and I've had to work every day just like every other person just to keep fit and strong. I have turned helping others with their fitness goals into my true passion, as I know the struggle. And I love the feeling of helping other people get motivated to being healthier and getting stronger. I have helped hundreds of people just like you to be stronger, healthier, fitter than they ever have thought possible. Fitness trends and diet fads come and go, but strength training remains the most effective way to keep you strong and healthy. Over the years, when people grow tired of training and their diets just don't work, they come to us. The system we promote is something called activity for daily living. This promotes movement patterns. Movements which are most effective and occur in everyday life, which creates the results and benefits on both in and outside of training, which means increased mobility, strength, coordination, balance for an improved lifestyle. I'm not going to promise you that you're going to look like a beach model within 6 weeks or any rapid fat loss system, because basically I don't tell lies to people. What I will promise you this is that you will be held accountable, helping you with food choices, giving you great workouts that are intelligently structured to constantly keep your body guessing, and the most importantly within that hour is to give you the very best experience with my knowledge as an ambassador of the fitness world. I can train you in the gym I work out of, or I can travel to you and do some home training if you have your own home gym, or I can bring the equipment with me. So it's fitness that fits your busy lifestyle and budget. I've worked with men and women from the ages of 18 to 70, and I've honed and sharpened my coaching skills over the last 12 years of experience. If you're interested, then please call, email me, or go to the link today to book in your free consultation and strategy session. And then after that, receive your free taster session. And then if you wish to continue to train with me after that, there is sort of discounts after that. So I look forward to working with you and helping you to achieve your goals in this year and for the rest of your life if you wish to train with me. And what I usually say to most people is the foundation of health begins with strength. It's the key. So I'm Coach Jason Tapowley here from the trainersedge.co.uk. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I shall see you soon.